How to get Microsoft Rewards Point fast. If any day you would like to get Microsoft Rewards Point fast but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be a Wi Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not, you have to launch Google Chrome on your mobile device. After you launch Google Chrome on your mobile device, in the search icon, you have to search Chrome Web Store. Now, when you search Chrome Web Store, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, you have to tap on the first option, that is Chrome Web Store, and then you have to tap on the option of the OK. After you tap on the option of the Chrome Web Store and then tap on the option of the OK, now you can tap on the first interface like this, which is the supercharge your desktop browser. Since the very desktop browser is not available on your very mobile device here, you can again tap on the next option of the Chrome web browser, and then what you can do is you can add an extension and apps to your computer from your phone. And after you add on your very extension to your phone, you can see the various kind of options there on your very desktop regarding the Microsoft Reward. You can tap on any of the Bing searches out there and you can add it to the extension, which is the best way to do it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.